So in this question we're going to do K equilibrium. So in the question we have carbon dioxide gas and liquid water react to form aqueous carbonic acid. The concentration of carbon dioxide is 0.050 molarity, and the concentration of the carbonic acid is 0.080 moles. So molarity. So what we want to do is we want to find the K equilibrium. Okay. So the first step is to write the actual equation. So what does this say? It says carbon dioxide gas and liquid water react. So we write CO2, which is our carbon dioxide, and this is a gas, right? And water, which is a liquid, they react to form aqueous carbonic acid. So that's H2CO3 aqueous. Now we're going to go ahead and fill in the actual concentrations for each one. So for carbon dioxide, it's 0.050, right? 0.050 moles here, molarity. And this is 0.080 molarity. And water, since it's liquid, we don't need to include that in our K equilibrium equation. So to set the K equilibrium equation, just real quick, for K equilibrium, we do the concentration of the products divided by the concentration of the reactants. And if there's a coefficient, we write the coefficient as an exponent at the top. So what's our concentration? So for this one, we have K equilibrium. The concentration here is it's going to be H2CO3 divided by the concentration of CO2. Now, normally you would do H2O, but since it's liquid here, we won't write that in here. We don't write anything that's liquid, only our aqueous and gases. Okay, so now we're going to just go ahead and we're going to fill in the actual values. So we have 0.080, you're going to plug in right there for H2CO3, and 0.050, you're going to plug in for CO2. So, what am I going to write on top? 0.080 divided by 0.050. So what is that? Go ahead, tap there.
1.6.
1.6. So if it's 1.6, okay, if it's 1.6, is this going more to the product side or the reactant side?
Products.
So, good. If I should actually write this like this, right? Now, so if this is greater than 1, so if your K equivalent is greater than 1, then it means it's favoring products. If your K equivalent is less than 1, then that means it's favoring reactants. So since it's more than 1, all you need to say is it's going to be favoring products. Is there anything else? That's all we need to know?